We are the disaster response arm of Cisco. Think hurricanes, tornadoes, natural disaster. Cisco will volunteer us, our team, and our equipment to go out and provide emergency connectivity for public safety, law enforcement, critical infrastructure, to get them back up and running after disasters. Every facet of our lives is connected to the internet somehow. And when we lose that, it's more than just an inconvenience, especially in times of disaster. Our boss calls us the paramedics for communications.
My name is Kevin Murphy, I'm operations manager at Cisco Crisis Response. I've been with the team a year. There was a major hurricane, West North Carolina Hurricane Helene hit late September, October, and we were called to go and assist North Carolina Emergency Management, set up a regional command center within 18 hours, and from there, we deployed to different sites to deploy gear, assist local communities with communications.
Roger that.
My name is Erin Connor. I'm director of Cisco Crisis Response. I met this couple who had a 6-month-old baby, and they'd come from Sudan, largely on foot, and had been in Italy for about 4 months or so. And I explained that we were there to set up free Wi-Fi. And the first thing the mom said was, my parents will be able to see my baby for the first time. And it was something that was just so powerful. It's just connecting to the outside world and having your parents see your baby for the first time. It really stayed with me.
My name is Matt Runyon. I am the leader for mission readiness and deployments with Cisco Crisis Response. Around 2005, and the US Hurricane Katrina hit, there was a big need for communications. So Cisco sent a bunch of folks down there, our team down there, did a lot of fantastic work. We realized after that we needed a lot better training, a lot better coordination for disaster response. And so our team has now been in charge of disaster and emergency response, external facing to Cisco, for coming up on 20 years now.
On a typical Tuesday, when connectivity goes down, it is an inconvenience. But look at it when a disaster happens and these affected communities are going through the worst day of their lives. This is a little bit more than an inconvenience. This is their livelihoods. This is putting their lives on the line when they can't access basic emergency resources like calling a fire department, calling an ambulance. We're coming up on 20 years this year. Everything we do is free. Cisco just volunteers us out as a way to give back to the world.